Okay, so chapter 13, review number 11, we know that in triangle ABC, we have A at 5, -1, B at 1, 1, and C at 5, -11. And we have to find the length of the altitude from A to BC. So that's going to be this line right here. And we know that it will form a right angle because that's the definition of altitude. So we can call this D. And the first thing we're going to have to do is find the slope of BC. So find the equation for the line of BC. And we know 2 points on it. So first of all, to find the slope, we can do 1 plus 11 because we're subtracting a negative over 1 minus 5, which will give us -12 over 4 as the slope, which is equal to -3. So then we know the slope is -3, so y is equal to -3x plus b, because we need to find the y-intercept. We have 1, 1 as a point, so 1 is equal to -3 times 1 plus b. And then 1 is equal to -3 plus b, so 4 is equal to b. So then for the equation, we know y is equal to -3x plus 4. And now we need to find the equation of this line. So the first thing we need to do is find the slope. We know that since it's perpendicular, the slope will be exactly opposite of -3, which will make it 1/3. So it will be a positive 1/3. Now we need to find the y-intercept for this line. So y is equal to 1/3 x plus b. We have a point 5, -1, so -1 is equal to 1/3 times 5 plus b. -1 is equal to 5/3 plus b. -8 over 3 is equal to b. So then the equation for line AD is y is equal to 1/3 x minus 8 over 3. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is find point D. And we do that simply by finding the intersection of line AD and line BC. So we can set them equal to each other because they're both equal to y. So -3x plus 4 is equal to 1/3 x minus 8 over 3. Then we get 20 over 3 is equal to 10 over 3x, which if you multiply by 3, you get 20 is equal to 10x, so therefore x is equal to 2. Now we know that the x-coordinate of D is 2, and we just need to find the y-coordinate. So we can just plug it back into the equation. Y is equal to 1/3 times 2 minus 8 over 3. So y is equal to 2/3 minus 8 over 3. So y is equal to -2. So 2, -2 is our point for D. That's the coordinates for D. So now we just find the distance formula, use the distance formula for A to D. So the distance formula we know is distance is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So therefore distance is equal to 5 minus 2 squared plus -1 plus 2 squared. So distance is equal to the square root of 3 squared plus 1 squared, which is equal to radical 10. And radical 10, since that is simplified, is the answer.